Alright, so let's go ahead and learn the chords that we need for I Wanna Be Your Slave. As always, I will have a visual representation of where I need to put your fingers on the uke for each chord. I feel like it just helps a lot when you can visually see and then also have me talk you through it. So, with that being said, the first chord that we need is the A minor chord. And how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we need is the F chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your middle finger and you're going to place it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. Then you're going to take your pointer finger and place it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And last but not least is the E7 chord, and how we're going to play this one is you're going to take your pointer finger and you're going to place your pointer finger on the 4th string, 1st fret. Then you're going to take your middle finger and place it on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And finally, you're going to take your ring finger and place it on the 1st string, 2nd fret. So it should look like this, and it should sound like this. And there you have it. Alright, so those are all 3 chords that we need for this song. As always, if you do need a little bit more extra time, make sure to press the pause button right now, rewind to whatever section or chord that you need a little bit more time on, and then as soon as the chords sound crisp and clear, press play. And now let's talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming coming up next. Alright, so we just talked about the chords. Now let's go ahead and talk about how we're going to play this song with the strumming. As always, I will teach you a few different ways you can play this song. The first way is going to be for the true beginner who's like, Ricky, I don't want you to add any strumming into it. I just learning the chords. I just started playing the uke a week ago, yesterday, an hour ago. Please don't add any strumming. If you do,
I will hate you forever.
First of all, I don't want you to hate me forever. And second of all, I got you. So the first way that we're going to play this song is going to be with a simple down strum. So you're going to strum down with your thumb. You're going to strum all 4 strings down. And then as soon as you see a new chord change, you're going to strum down again. So if you add the lyrics and the strumming pattern, it's going to be like, I wanna be a slave, I wanna be a master. So again, you're going to strum down whenever you see a new chord change. And as always, the full play-along video for this song is live on my YouTube channel right now. It's free. You can go check it out. It has the lyrics and chords on screen while I strum and sing the entire song. So that'll be linked down below. It's already live on my YouTube channel. Also, if you do want to help support this channel, you can go to my Patreon page. It's a $5 monthly subscription, and you can download the full PDF chord sheet for the song, which is the full lyrics and the chord right above the word, so you know exactly when to change chords. Again, that will be linked down below. But again, your choice. If you just want to watch the free YouTube play-along video or subscribe to the Patreon, totally your choice. But again, you're just going to strum down when you see a new chord change. Alright, so the second way we can play this song is going to be with an actual strumming pattern, and I'm just going to play it how it sounds with all 3 chords, and then we'll break it down. So I'm going to start off with the A minor, then go to F, and then E7. So in 3, 2, 1. So as you can hear, there's a slight difference in strumming pattern, so let's break it down. So the A minor gets the down, down, up, up, down, up. So let's do that one more time. A minor in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up, up, down, up. And then we go to F, which gets a down, down, up. Let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up. And then E7 gets the down, down, up. So in 3, 2, 1. Down, down, up. So let's start with A minor again, which gets the down, down, up, up, down, up. Let's go to F, which gets the down, down, up, and E7, which gets the down, down, up. So if we do that quicker, it's going to sound like this. when we're going to start with A minor, go to F and then E7. So in 3, 2, 1. So again, in 3, 2, 1. So again, it's just going to be A for the A minor, A, down, down, up, down, up. F gets A, down, down, up. And then E7 gets A, down, down, up. So the third way we can play this song is going to be with a strumming pattern with a chuck. I feel like a chuck just kind of spices things up a little bit. And if you're like, Ricky, how do you learn how to chuck, or how do you chuck? Well, I have a 5-minute video on how to learn how to chuck. I'll link it up here, also link in the description below. Definitely go check it out if you want to learn how to chuck. It just, again, adds a little bit more spice into your strumming. But if you already know how to chuck, then the strumming pattern that we're going to do is going to be sort of similar to the previous strumming pattern that we just did, but we're adding a chuck into it. So let's break it down. A minor gets a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. So let's do that one more time. In 3, 2, 1, down, chuck, up, chuck, up. And then you go to F, which gets a down, chuck, up. And then E7 gets a down, chuck, up. So let's do that again. A minor gets a down, chuck, up, chuck, up. F gets a down, chuck, up. And then E7 gets a down, chuck, up. So again, you're just going to do that throughout the entire song. And those are the 3 different ways that you can play this song on the uke. Alright, so we learned the 3 different chords and the 3 different ways you can play this song. Congratulations, you now know how to play I Wanna Be Your Slave on the good old uke. As always, if you did like this video, make sure you give it a big old thumbs up. Also, don't forget to hit that red subscribe button below and the bell notification to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube. And also, if you just have recently hit that red subscribe button, welcome to the Uke fam, the best Uke fam on the YouTubes. In my personal opinion, thank you so much for being here. Kisses to you. Also, if you're like, Ricky, what is that beautiful uke that you were playing? It looks and sounds amazing. I need some details. I got you. This is a concert-sized donor ukulele. I'll leave a link in the description below if you do want to go check out this uke or all their other ukes. They are also running a bunch of specials right now, so I'll leave all that information in the description below. Also, thank you so much to Donor for sponsoring today's video, so let's just give a huge thumbs up for them. But again, link in the description below for this uke, this concert-sized donor uke, or also links to all of their specials that they're currently running, so highly recommend to go check them out. Also, talking about links in description, there's links to the merch, which I'm currently wearing the Uke Fam hoodie. We also have links to all of my socials, so make sure to friend me on your most used social. I'm most active on Patreon, Twitter, Instagram, and TikTok. Everything is just at Ricky Somborn. Make sure to friend me and add me, say hi, and let's be friends. Anyways, also let me know what you want to see on this channel, what songs you want to see me do, play along tutorials. I'm all ears. Let me know in the comments below. I love ya. I hate to leave ya, but I'll see you in my next video. Bye.